Welcome to the Top Best. The Best Stop the Bleed kit is probably one of the most important items you can have in your home, car, or workplace. In emergency situations, every second counts, and having the right tools can make all the difference. This kit is designed to provide immediate care for severe bleeding, potentially saving lives before professional medical help arrives. We'll dive into what makes this kit a must-have and how it can be a lifesaver. Number 5. Stop the Bleed Basic Kit with Cat Tourniquet. This kit provides users with immediate access to products that can slow traumatic bleeding. It's designed for use by anyone before professional help arrives. This kit is intended for use by lay people. It's easy to use and provides critical tools when every second counts. The kit contains a tourniquet, bandage, gauze, shears, a marker, and clear instructions. It has everything you need to address bleeding emergencies. The kit comes vacuum-packed and sealed in a clear, plastic pouch. It's compact and easy to store, making it readily available when needed. This product is officially licensed by the U.S. Department of Defense. You can trust its quality and reliability. What we like. This kit is officially licensed by the U.S. Department of Defense, ensuring quality and reliability. It comes vacuum-packed and sealed in a clear, plastic pouch for easy identification and access. If you are looking for a trusted and government-approved solution, this kit is an excellent choice for your emergency preparedness. What people say. This is a good basic kit and sealed in a plastic bag so the parts will not get lost. Everything you need in a waterproof package. The Cat Tourniquet is a high-quality, trusted option, and the rest of the kit includes all the essentials needed for emergency bleeding control. Everything is neatly packed, making it easy to store in my car, range bag, or first aid kit. Number 4. MediTac Basic Bleeding Control Pack. This single-use pack contains everything you need for traumatic blood loss. It includes essential items to help in emergency situations. This kit is designed for quick and easy access. This multi-use tourniquet is designed to treat various injuries. You can wrap it tightly to control bleeding. It can also be used as a pressure or elastic bandage. The emergency bandage is the best solution for hemorrhage control. It has a revolutionary pressure applicator. This bandage is designed to stop bleeding effectively. This gauze dressing has a unique crinkle weave for excellent fluid absorption. It is designed to quickly absorb blood. The gauze helps to stop the bleeding. These double-sided mylar blankets are ideal for preserving body heat. They help prevent hypothermia and shock. The blanket is windproof, waterproof, and snowproof, conserving 90% of your body heat. The nitrile gloves are more resistant to rips and tears. The shears are sturdy enough to cut through tough materials. The marker is made to mark and stand out on almost every surface. What we like. This pack includes a multi-use SWAT-T tourniquet that can treat a variety of injuries. It also features a quick tier design for fast access in critical situations. If you need a comprehensive and versatile kit with rapid deployment capabilities, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit includes a tourniquet that is adjustable and durable. The Israeli pressure bandage is wrapped in sterile, compression gauze that are a decent size, a mylar blanket to help prevent hypothermia with blood loss or shock, shear that are easy to handle and cut through clothes, gloves to prevent introducing bacteria into a wound and keep the wearer protected from body fluids, a permanent marker to date the dressing and write down vitals, and 3 antiseptic wipes to clean skin. Number 3. Rescue Essential Stop the Bleed Module. In emergencies, quick access to medical supplies is crucial. This module provides essential tools for controlling severe bleeding. It's designed to help save lives when every second counts. The module is compact, measuring 8 inches high, 4.5 inches wide, and 3 inches deep, and weighing only 10.2 ounces. This makes it easy to store and transport. It's designed to be readily available when needed. Inside, you'll find the critical medical components needed to control major bleeding. This allows you to take immediate action. It's designed to help until professional help arrives. A clear instruction sheet guides you through each step of the bleeding control process. This ensures that anyone can use it effectively. It's designed to be user-friendly, even under pressure. This module is based on the Department of Homeland Security's Stop the Bleed program. The program empowers individuals to act quickly and save lives. It's part of a nationwide effort to improve emergency response. What we like. This module is designed for rapid, public access, making it ideal for emergencies. It includes diagrammatic instructions to guide you through the bleeding control process. If you are looking for a kit to place in public areas or need a user-friendly solution, this is a great option. What people say. Great little kit. Has good stuff. Number 2. First Aid Only 91512 Bleeding Control Kit. This kit includes 7 essential tools designed to address bleeding limb wounds. It comes with clear instructions, a marker for noting the tourniquet application time, nitrile gloves, and trauma bandages. This ensures you're prepared for critical situations. The kit is designed to be easily identifiable and portable. Its lightweight nature makes it convenient to carry to any trauma site. This allows for quick and efficient response in emergencies. You can use this kit as a standalone emergency solution or integrate it into your existing first aid supplies. It's perfect for first aid cabinets, emergency kits, or trauma bags, ensuring it's always within reach when needed. This bleeding kit is ideal for various settings, from outdoor work sites to classrooms. It's suitable for remote locations, mass bleeding events, recreational activities, and public emergencies, providing critical aid wherever you are. First Aid Only offers a wide range of first aid products. They provide complete solutions for workplace first aid, individual needs, burn care, and CPR, ensuring you have everything you need to respond effectively. What we like. This kit is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry to the trauma site. It comes in a clear bag for easy identification and is suitable for various settings. If you need a versatile and easy-to-carry kit for outdoor activities or workplaces, this is perfect for you. What people say. This kit has all the essentials you'd want to keep in your camper for serious emergencies. It's compact, well-organized, and covers chest, limb, and torso wounds with quality components. Must-have for any organizational first aid kit or automobile emergency kit, as everything needed is included and conveniently packaged. Great value and high-quality contents. I'm giving this 5 stars because it has a tourniquet and it was the price of just one of those. The kit is very basic and has enough to address a single injury. Size is good as it fits in my IFAK. Number 1. Stop the Bleed Multi-Pack Kit. This kit provides immediate access to products designed to slow traumatic bleeding. It's a crucial tool for anyone who wants to be prepared for emergencies. It allows you to take action before medical professionals arrive. The multi-pack bundles 4 vacuum-packed, officially licensed Stop the Bleed basic kits. This ensures that you have multiple kits available when you need them. Each kit is designed for ease of use and effectiveness. The kits come packed in a tamper-proof red pouch with a clear plastic front. This design ensures the contents are protected and easily visible. The pouch is designed for quick access in emergency situations. It fits easily into a standard AED case, first aid cabinet, or drawer. This makes it easy to store and readily available when needed. You can keep it in a place where it's easily accessible. This kit allows bystanders to help in a bleeding emergency before medical professionals arrive. It empowers you to take action and potentially save lives. It's a vital tool for anyone who wants to be prepared. What we like. This kit offers multiple basic kits in one package, perfect for equipping multiple locations or for group settings. It comes in a tamper-proof red pouch with a clear plastic front. If you need to equip multiple locations or want to be prepared for group emergencies, consider this multi-pack. What people say. The tourniquet is easy to apply. The kit is well organized and compact. The kit includes all the necessary items to stop bleeding. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.